Hey everyone, welcome back to my Christmas series, first one for this season. Today I put together some really easy, fun Dollar Tree Christmas DIY. So simple, but they come out amazing. I hope you guys really enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. So let's begin. This one you're going to need a little piece of wood from Dollar Tree. I had a little piece of leftover wood from Dollar Tree cut in half, and some ornaments from Dollar Tree. I went ahead and cut down that little piece of wood. Now I'm going to go ahead and start painting it with some very, very light, warm beige. You can paint this any color of your choice. I decided to go with a very warm, earthy tone. Glue down the larger piece on top of the small piece. This is going to be the base, the stand for the ornaments. Now I used 5 ornaments for the base, and then going up the tree, 4, 3, 2, 1, etc. You can use 6, you can use as many as you like. I decided just to use 5. I thought it was a perfect size. So I'm going to go ahead and start gluing down the red bulbs first. Now you can alternate colors as well. I went with the solid colors. Now this is really great to have, especially if you don't want to put up an actual tree, but you want a little bit of, some lights and some Christmas ornaments. This is perfect for like on your counter or shelves or anywhere in your house, because I know a lot of people don't want to put up a tree, or they have a small apartment and they can't really fit a tree. So I think this is really a great idea for those who don't want a tree. So now I'm going to add the gold right on top, and that's going to be 4 of the gold. Dollar Tree has other color ornaments you can use. I just choose the red, gold, and then the green with a little red color in it. I thought it was really pretty, but you can use anything you like. Yeah, so I'm trying to get in the spirit of Christmas, even though it's October, and I'm still kind of in that Halloween kind of mindset. And I'm really, really trying to get into Christmas spirit. It's kind of hard. So, I started off with a few Christmas DIYs in this particular video. Hopefully, things will get a little more interesting in my next videos to come. So, but in the meantime, I hope you guys enjoy this one. So here's that pretty ornament that I got from Dollar Tree. I like the green in it, and it also has that red. Thought it was really pretty. So now the next 2 are going to be red, and then the last one's going to be gold. So I'm going to be adding these Dollar Tree tree stems, I believe they are. They come in a pack. I had them since last year. I'm just going to wrap 2 at the bottom just to give it some green color. Now this step's optional. I'm going to use some fairy lights from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to wrap it all around the ornaments, no particular order. And that's it for this project. I think it came out really pretty. It's super easy. I'm going to need some craft paper from Hobby Lobby, and I got these cute little white mittens from Dollar Tree, and something to place it on or not, you don't have to, and a lot of Christmas greenery from Dollar Tree. Now I used this sign before, and it was painted with antique wax on the sides, and I'm just going to go ahead and use it again, and I'm just going to place the craft paper inside, and to place it inside, I'm just going to use the glue stick, simple. Now I have it cut out. Just going to place it inside. Simple, simple. I chose this craft paper because I thought it was really pretty with the colors. Santa with the black and the red and everything, and with the white mittens over it. I thought it was really pretty. Now, these mittens I got from Dollar Tree, I think they're like little baby mittens. They're so cute and they're white. So I didn't find them last year, and I was so excited when I seen them this year. All I'm going to do is just place a little Christmas greenery inside, you know, to your liking. I just put a few pieces inside because it is tiny, the mittens, and then some red berries, Christmas berries. I do one of the mittens and then the other one off camera. Hot glue them on that little sign. Now, you don't have to do this, you can hang them, but they're so tiny, and I think they would be too small for the wall unless you want to place it inside like a wreath or something, maybe. I don't know. But I thought it would look cute this way, so I'm just going to go ahead and just glue them down. So I made a little simple bow. I'm just going to place it at the top. It's a Dollar Tree ribbon. And then I pulled this off one of Dollar Tree's Christmas ornament, and I thought it would look cute on one of the gloves or the mittens. I'm going to go ahead and hot glue that down on that mitten. Mitten. It sounds funny. Say that 100 times. Mitten, 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 mitten. All right. So going to add a little red berry to the middle of that bow. And this is how this project turned out. Super cute. All right, for this one, we're going to make a lamppost. 2 Dollar Tree candle holders. These are from Dollar Tree as well. I got 2 black ones. This is so easy to make, and it comes out so pretty. So I'm going to use these and wrap the bottom of the candle holder, and I'm not going to use any glue. I seen a large one at Hobby Lobby. It was so beautiful, but it was like $199. But they are so pretty. These are little miniature ones. You can place them on your shelf. They're so cute. You can add candles and stuff around it. You can decorate your house very cute using Dollar Tree items and making these really simple DIYs. All right, I'm going to decorate the little lights now using some Dollar Tree picks. I'm also going to use some Dollar Tree ribbon and place it right underneath the light, right on top of the candle holder. To turn the light on and off, you won't be able to glue it to the candle holder, so my recommendation is don't glue it. Just place it on top, so this way you can get to the on and off switch. I want it to look like it had snow on top, so I'm just going to use some white paint and just go across on each part of the pick. And that's pretty much it. I didn't want to use fake snow. I thought the paint made it look more realistic. Then I'm going to place it on top of the candle holder. And look how cute they came out. And this is how this project turned out. All right, I took a piece of wood from Dollar Tree, just cut it for the base. This I got from Dollar Tree. I used before, and I was looking for a new one, but My Dollar Tree didn't carry one. And this little wreath I got from Hobby Lobby, some craft paper, and these little fences from Dollar Tree. I'm going to start off by freshening up this little arch and paint it white. Now I'm going to place the arch right over the craft paper, and then I'm going to glue it down and then cut around the sides. So Dollar Tree normally has these in stock, but lately I haven't seen them at my Dollar Tree. And there's so many things you can do with them. I mean, you can use them as a frame. You can use them as a 3D frame. That's what I'm going for. Trying to make it look like 3D effect. And you'll see at the end, it comes out really cute. Now I'm just trimming off the excess craft paper. I love this craft paper. I used it before in a previous DIY. In this video, I think it's so pretty. Now I went ahead and painted that stand black. I'm trying to figure out if I want to place it on top or in the back. And I do eventually place it in the back. I'm just going to glue it down. Now I'm going to hot glue those fences to the front of that little wood piece. Now Dollar Tree still carries these, at least my Dollar Tree does. They have the black and the white. If you're still interested, you can check out your Dollar Tree. I love using these around Christmas time. I think they're so cute. I'm only going to use the 3 pieces in front. Now I'm going to take that little wreath and just hot glue it to the top of the frame. I think it really looks adorable that way. Like I said, I got these from Hobby Lobby. They still have them. I got these last year. Now I got these little wooden Christmas trees from Dollar Tree last year. It comes in a pack and it comes like with a little house or something else. I can't remember, but they still have them. You can either use these or you can use an actual tree for the sides. I just decided to use them and hot glue them to the sides and leave them white. So I'm just going to go ahead and just glue them to the sides. Now these tiny mini bottle brush trees from Dollar Tree, I'm just going to take 2 and hot glue them inside. So I decided to add some Dollar Tree snow. What is Christmas scenery without Christmas snow? You got to have it. It's so festive. So I'm just going to add a little bit inside. Now off camera, I added a tiny bow on top. I just took some Dollar Tree ribbon, created a little bow to top it off. And I think this came out super cute. All right, to make this project, you will need some craft paper, a frame from Dollar Tree. This is a 5x7, and this is a ornament from Michael's. Hobby Lobby carries them as well. This is a small one. You can pick up a medium size. I'm gonna use a popsicle stick, and I printed out this little Christmas image and some fake snow. I'm gonna remove the backing. The little tabs did fall off, but that's okay. I went ahead and glued everything down in the end. Do is place the craft paper inside, trace it and cut it out and place it inside. Very simple. So we're getting cold weather because I'm in New York and it's starting to rain a lot. The past 3 days it's been rainy and dark. So when I take pictures and videos, they do come out a tad bit darker than usual. To place the craft paper in back, I'm just going to use my glue stick and it holds perfectly fine. Now I'm going to put everything back together. So those little tabs broke off and I figured that I can glue them back, but it didn't work. So I just glued the back together and just used some hot glue to hold it in place. Now, when I place this ornament in front, what I did realize is the hot glue does not hold. And you're going to need something stronger. So I use super glue gel that I got from Dollar Tree. Now I'm just going to cut off the little tips on that little ornament because, you know, that's the part that's snapped together. And I'm going to grab some fake snow, place it down on the frame first. So you don't want to add too much snow, but enough where, you know, it's going to fill at least the bottom part of the globe or the ornament. So here's where I added some hot glue around the ornament and then placed it on the glass. It looked like it was going to hold, but it totally came apart. So like I said, you're going to need something really strong like super glue or something like that. So I wanted the frame to have like sort of a tag at the bottom. So I'm going to take that little popsicle stick, cut it to size, and then place that little image right on top. So I'm just going to use the glue stick to place the image on the popsicle stick. Now this is optional. You don't have to do this. You can use your Cricut or you can just leave it plain. So now I'm going to take that little tag and just hot glue it to the bottom of the frame. Now off camera, I did add a little white paint at the bottom of the little image to make it look like snow. Now all it's left is to take some ribbon from Hobby Lobby. It's a very thin beige ribbon. I thought it was really pretty. And all I did was make a cute little bow and place it right above the ornament. And that is it. This is super easy to make. It comes out so pretty. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Till next time, guys, take care. I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.